We cannot see our soul by ourselves. Our character is immersed in our soul. Love is a good emotion, but anger is a bad emotion. How come the heartbrokenness can come to a person? What is the meaning of heartbrokenness? The dictionary clearly says that overwhelmed with grief and sorrow. How come a person's heart can break? A death of a family member, a betrayal, physical abuse, mental and sexual abuse, a sudden financial loss, a sudden divorce. I shared only few points, but there are many. What will happen if you didn't get healing from that brokenness? Anger and bitterness, short temper, jealousy, gossip, self-isolation, rejection. Why people can't heal their soul? Many times people used to go and ask the help of medical service, but the doctor cannot help the problems in the soul. Sometimes you may think, why this person is behaving like this? Why, how much anger he has? We should understand that something happened in the past, but God can see your soul. People can see the outward structure, but God can see the inner things of your soul. Bible says that nothing is naked in front of our Lord.